Pendiami ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lakasmi.
On the day of the occurrence of this very unfortunate situation that occurred in Negrams, there were junior doctors already on duty that evening, and there were CMOs or medical officers already also attending to the patient. I don't know exactly what happened. In order to understand the situation completely, I have requested the director of Negrams to share with me information on what proceeded to that conflict that occurred in Negrams and what were the reasons that there was a loss of life in this entire conflict. I will await for that letter, but preliminarily I have been told that there were doctors.
Well, considering this incident, it looks like there is a serious lapses on the part of the management of Negrams.
Negrams is a central organization, but because it functions in the state of Meghalaya, we can also be the caretakers on behalf of the public, and we can request them and we can ask them what were the reasons for occurrences of any incidences in their property while attending to patients. And I will await for that official reply of the director Negrams, but at least I know that there were doctors. So let us see, let us wait for that, and I am very disturbed that happened, and I'm very disturbed to know that a very young person lost his life. Whether or not it was because of lapses of medical assistance or whether or not there were other factors for the loss of that life will be ascertained once I receive a report from the director of the